Good morning, everyone. Class, today we are going to start the last topic of your HTML. After that, your new chapter, or you can say new concept, that is CSS, is left. They have included that chapter in this module only, but actually, that is a separate chapter. So, class, your topic is linking. From first chapter to second chapter to till this chapter, you have heard this word many times, hyperlinking. Class, hyperlinking means if you want to have a connectivity between the page or within the page, for that hyperlink is used. Now there is a word named hypertext. While using a net, you have seen that there are the links, like in Google Meet also, like I am also sending you the link. So those are the link, but the text which is written, which you click and you got into the different application, that is the hyperlink. So class, in this, for hyperlinking, there is a tag used, is the anchor tag, that is a tag, and this tag is also having some attributes to work with, so that we are going to study. So class, it needs the opening tag and the closing tag. So this is a container tag. Now this is the syntax. In this, first of all, you have to write anchor tag, then you have to write href, then url means the address of that particular file that you want to connect. It can be any file, it can be a word file, it can be a picture file, it can be a GIF file, it can be a audio, it can be anything, but you should know the address of that. It can be another HTML file also. So address we should know, and when you will click on this hypertext, whatever will be written in between these two tags, that will be hypertext, and that will come in blue color. I will tell you how to change the color also. Now there are two type of linking, one is the external linking and one is the internal, another is the internal linking. External linking means I have two pages, I am clicking on this page somewhere in a hypertext, and this page is getting open, so that is the external linking. But internal linking is as such, suppose here are the hypertext and you want to see down in a document, these are the various pages, suppose in a single web page, and when you are clicking on this page is getting open, and when you are clicking on this, the down page is getting open, or you can say it will come at the top, that is a internal linking. So external linking, what they are saying, which links your pages of two web pages, two different documents, that is the external linking. Now they have set the example also here. Ahref, this is the URL to which file you want to connect, and this is the hypertext which will appear on that page, and you will click on this and this www.google.com will get appear. Now I have chosen this program to explain you. As they, in this program, they are connecting your web page, they are connecting the web page to the google.com. So this is the address of google.com. Click here to visit the Google home page. Now see the output. In this output, hypertext is just a heading they have written, but this you can see that it is coming underline. As you all know, while using a net also, the links comes under the blue line. So when you will click on this, that will get open. So this is the program that you will try, but I suggest everyone try this in your computer only, because there was a problem in previous while inserting an image. Many of you said that there is a problem in mobile, so those who are having computer, they only try. Otherwise we will do that in lab when school will get reopened. Now next is the image as hyperlink. Here, instead of writing a text, they have inserted a image, and say other thing is the same, href and the address of URL. Now you see that this is the image, and when you will click on this image, another page, that is the Google home page, will get open according to the program. In this program they have given the URL of Google only, that's why that will get open. So this is the thing. Next is the title attribute. href you have studied right now. Now next is the title attribute. If you want to give title also, in this what will happen, it will provide the information to which you are going to go. Means like they have written the information, click me, I am a hyperlink. It will appear there, as it was not appearing in previous program because title we have not given, but here we have given title. So here that text is coming, click me, I am a hyperlink. You can write anything here as a text, click me, I will get into the google.com, like that any message you can give. Next is internal linking. As I have already explained you that internal linking is linking within a page. So for that we use hash. Hash is the keyword that is used for it.